Hi programmers. So in this video I'm gonna show you that how you can pass environment variable into the Node.js application. I know that we were talking about the Postgres plus Postgres admin, something like that, but before going to that one, this is very important point. If you understand this one, the environment variable and everything, how those things work, you won't get confused in future. Okay, so the scenario will be something like this. Okay, we will be passing environment variable from Docker containers to Node.js application, so that Node.js application will run that environment variable and see how that things work. Okay, and then next video I'm gonna create that how we can pass the environment variable to the Docker database, any Postgres, something like that. So to do so, this one on the Node.js application, what I have done, I have created a simple get API where we have to pass just any constant which will be reading the environment variable, and then the second point, we're gonna test it with two different scenarios. First, we don't pass any variables and let's see what output we will get, and then we will pass something and then check what output we will get. So to save some time, I've already created an API. I'm gonna quickly show you how those things work. Over here, the username and password, this will be taken care from the environment variable, and the hard-coded value is the guessed one. So if we pass those value, we'll get that value. If we don't pass, we'll get the hard-coded value. That's keep it simple. Okay, over here, nothing fancy. Just like I'm passing this parameter, and then we'll get over there. So first thing, I'm gonna build the container first and run it on 8000 for without passing the environment variable, and let's see how that thing work. Okay, so let's see docker build with the tag customer app and on the root folder. So let me quickly delete the previous one so you won't get any confusion. And yep, so here if I'm running, so we don't have anything, but I'm running right now. If I hit enter, so we will get that image up and running. That's fine. Now let's run with 8000 and we don't pass any environment variable. Now first docker run in detached mode with -- name customer app, any name like without, I'm putting like without env. Okay, and the port number will be 8000 as we already promised, and the name of the app is customer app. Sorry, the image is customer app image. Okay, so lastly we have to pass like that. So let me hit it, and we got those things. So if I go over here and put env, now please guys guess what output you will get based on this one. Okay, we didn't pass anything and we should get guessed. Okay, guessed credentials. So if you hit it, we got that value, right? Now I'm not gonna stop this container. I'm just gonna keep this one as it is, run it with the different containers. Okay, so instead of it, I'm gonna just pass like something like that. Now before -p, we can pass -e. That is very simple, and we have to use exact this naming convention because we are reading that one exactly the same, right? So what you have to do is like user name equals to, in the bracket, like admin, and -e, second environment variable, with the password equals to admin password, and instead of 8000 I'm gonna read it on 9000, and let's see. So we got the second container, which is this one, and if I copy this and run it on 9000, you can get the username and password on the different one. So that's how you can pass those environment variable, and that is not fast, like that's really easy, but I have to show you that how those things work. That is very important to understand, because in the next scenario it will be getting very complex. As you can see that we are getting like lots of data over here, and then we can see in the future coming videos that how we can simplify it so that we just have to follow the direction. We don't need to memorize anything. I'm gonna tell you like where you have to go, and just remember one thing: just one file, that is a Docker file I have to configure, that's it. And you will get each and everything, and then you will get an idea that where to look for the content, right? So in the next video, I'm going to launch now this time the Postgres and Postgres admin, and we will link both two different containers. So guys, that is Postgres DB is totally different container, and this one, the Postgres admin, will be different one. We're going to link them, and we're going to pass the environment variable between them, connect it, and followed by that video we're going to attach the volume into it. Then in the next video we're going to create an API, the post API, which will be saving into that persistent volume, which we will be attaching that one. So there will be tons of videos will are coming up into this series, so please do like, subscribe and share, and we'll go from there. Okay, let me know if you have any questions on the comment below. Thanks for watching. Cheers.